How to fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. In order to fix such error, you have to go to the settings on your mobile device. On the settings, you have to locate the apps and open the apps depending upon your device. Now tap on app management at the top of the screen. At the top, you can see the search bar, tap on it and search Google Play Services. Open it, and once you're here, you can tap on storage uses. Now, you need to tap on clear cache and tap on manage the space as well. Once you're on the Google Play Services storage page, tap on clear all data. All your data will be deleted, including settings, accounts, databases, etc. Once you are done with that, you need to do the same process for your YouTube applications as well. Open it, go to storage, uses, and tap on clear data. Once the data has been cleared, you need to go to the Play Store and make sure to update your YouTube application. If you see any update button instead of open, you just have to tap on update and update your YouTube application. Once you have followed all this step, you need to relaunch your YouTube application. And once you have done that, you can easily fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.